In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert video from YouTube. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a YouTube clip into your slide so it plays right from your presentation, saving you from switching tabs or juggling links during a talk. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that the video you plan to use is appropriate for your audience and allowed in your setting. Start by opening your slide. That means opening the presentation file you'll be working with and going to the specific slide where you want the video to appear. It helps to choose a slide layout with some open space so the video has room to display clearly and won't overlap other important text or images. Next, look to the menu at the top and click Insert, then choose Video. This opens a window designed specifically for adding media to your slide. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're clicking the Insert menu and not a toolbar icon that looks similar. The video choice is what pulls up the right panel. In that window, choose YouTube. You should see a clear option or tab labeled for YouTube content. Selecting it tells the app that you intend to bring in a video directly from the platform so it can fetch previews and details for you. Now you have two simple ways to pick your video: search or paste the link. If you're searching, type in a few specific keywords, like the video title and the creator. Then review the thumbnails and descriptions that appear. Look for the correct channel and check the duration to make sure it's the right clip. If you already have the video open in your browser, copy its full URL and paste it into the field. Make sure it's the direct link to the video, not a playlist or a link with extra tracking parameters you don't need. If there's a timestamp in the link and you don't want it to start mid-video, remove that portion before proceeding. When the correct result appears, click to select it so it's highlighted. Finally, click Insert. The video will be placed on your slide and you'll see its thumbnail appear right away. From this point, the video will stream from YouTube when you present, so you'll need an internet connection during your talk. It's a good idea to run a quick rehearsal to confirm the clip loads smoothly and the audio is audible in your room. And that's it. Your YouTube video is now part of your slide and ready to play during your presentation.